what's up, Tim Queen here, and today I'm going to show you how you can create thumbnails for your YouTube video that get you a ton of clicks. So let's get right into it. First, we create a new design on canva.com. We choose the custom dimension of 1920 times 1080 pixel. Then the new screen opens up. First, we want to add a picture as our background image. Let's just pick this one right over here. Let's pull this up to the corner and then scale it so it fills 100% of the entire cover. So adjust it slightly. That looks great. Awesome. Now let's click on done and then let's add some text to our new thumbnail. Let's drag add a heading over here and I start typing the title of my YouTube video. How to design a YouTube thumbnail. Now all we have to do is to scale this up a little bit, adjust the wording so it fits in nicely. So I just placed it at about where I want to have it. Then I'm increasing the font size, in this case 104, seems to look nice. Now of course the words are all over the place, so let's give it a little bit more space. Put it back again where we want to have it. Then let's do some of the settings. I usually like to reduce the line height so it's better readable. Let's go by 109. Then make this all caps and adjust this, and that looks really nice. Now let's head over to my upload section and drag over one of the cutouts that I created of myself and pull this onto the screen. Now we can make this a little bit larger. And even larger, and there we go. That looks awesome. Now if you want to learn more about how you can create a perfect cutout like this, I'm going to make another video about this, how you can do that straight in Canva. So I'm going to make the font a little bit bigger, assign this over here, and what you want to keep in mind is the bottom right corner. This is where the timestamp is going to be, so I deliberately leave this open and make some space so it's not covering up any of the text. And finally, we just download this. I suggest JPEG. Click the download button and we are done. There is your awesome YouTube thumbnail. Alright, what do you think of creating custom thumbnails like this? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to get more videos about YouTube marketing, make sure that you smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and also check out the link to my blog where I have a ton of LinkedIn tutorials just on my website. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!